What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I just wanted to talk about something very shortly. So I'm going to talk about your video card updates, whether you're an AMD fan or an Nvidia fan. I have a GTX 1060, so I'm obviously Nvidia. Now, a lot of people just click Express Installation when they update their drivers, and I personally think you shouldn't do that because it can cause issues with all those old drivers being in your operating system. So there's actually an easy way to fix this. If you actually click on Custom Installation right here, and it's going to say Preparing to Install, it's probably going to pop up with the UAC, the user account control. It's going to ask you to verify if you want to let the app make changes to the computer. Just go ahead and click yes. Okay, so once this pops up, you want to go over here and click Perform a Clean Installation. What this is going to do is this is going to uninstall the old drivers, delete them, and then reinstall the new drivers. Because this is the new version, 460.79. And my current version is 457.51. This isn't necessarily needed, but I recommend it because I have done this for so long and I've never had an issue with my graphics drivers, only when I clicked use Express settings. So go ahead and click install. It's going to uninstall the other driver. Your screen may flash and the recording may flash, but I'll cut that part out. And if your screen flashes, it's fine. It's just Alright, sorry about that. The microphone got cut out because it uninstalled the HD audio driver. So what I was trying to explain was the fact that if your screen flashes, it's fine. If you have dual monitors like I do, it's going to pop up on the first monitor with all the applications you already have on the second monitor and the first monitor. It's completely normal. Just let it install and it should move it back over to the other monitor along with your icons. The reason I use GeForce Experience is because it updates faster. I get the updates immediately. It warns me, and then I don't have to worry about trying to figure out if there's a new update on the website. You can use the website and just download the driver, which is perfectly fine. But if Windows installs a driver, please update the driver because the version of the driver that Windows installs isn't always accurate or stable. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.